guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the wireless gaming mouse, the RAZER Cobra Pro. Alright, so starting off we have our product information guide as well as some stickers. Now right here we have our hyperspeed wireless dongle as well as our USB dongle adapter, and this includes both USB Type A as well as USB Type C. And right here we have our USB Type A to USB Type C SpeedFlex cable. And then this is the RAZER Cobra Pro itself. Now on the back or bottom here, we have our on and off switch, our 30K optical sensor, as well as some USB storage on the bottom in this little circle area. The mouse also comes with some RGB lighting that turns on as soon as you click the on switch. There are 8 performance buttons on this mouse, including the scroll wheel, all of which are customizable. The mouse weighs about 2.72 ounces or 77 grams, and this is overall pretty light for a mouse, which makes it really good for faster and more precise movements. There's RGB lighting all around the bottom of the mouse as well as on the scroll and also the logo. The most battery life on this mouse is 170 hours on Bluetooth, and then you have 100 hours on hyperspeed wireless, and then the least amount, which is 22 hours on dongle and Mouse Dock Pro. Like I mentioned before, this mouse comes with a 30K optical sensor, and these sensors perform really well, and they can enhance your aim as well as control while in-game, which is what I really like about this specific mouse. And lastly, the mouse is also compatible with Bluetooth. Alright, so that is it for the unboxing of the video, and I gotta say, with the RAZER gaming mouses, I'm really impressed because they are all really good at MMO gaming, which is a lot of players can join one game, and this is because of the great build quality. Specifically, this one had really good durable feel to it, and I love the RGB lighting in every tech piece for gaming. It's really cool, not to mention the fact that the gaming mouse had really good sensors on it, which really helps your gameplay as well as the low click latency. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!